Hi friends, today it's a traditional Kerala snack recipe, Aval Vilayichathu, made of beaten rice and jaggery. It's a very delicious and easy recipe. For that here I am taking 450 grams of beaten rice. I have taken the red variety, the thin variety. We'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes till it is just warm. No need to make it very crispy, it has to be just warm. And into the same pan here I am taking 400 grams of coconut. This is about 1.5 coconuts, 1.5 medium sized coconut. You can use more coconut. Adding more coconut will increase the taste of Aval Vilayichathu. So we'll just roast it till the water in the coconut dries up. We'll take it and keep it aside. Now here I'm taking 675 grams of jaggery. I'm using organic jaggery. This is the jaggery which I have used. It is available online. And into this we'll add 1 cup of water and allow it to melt. Once it is properly melted, we'll strain it to remove any impurities. Take this into the pan, and into the jaggery we'll add the dry coconut and we'll allow it to cook till the jaggery becomes sticky. We need not cook till it reaches one string consistency. Before that itself we can switch off the flame. Now the coconut and jaggery is well cooked and it has reached a sticky consistency, and into this now we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. You can add more ghee if you like. Mix it well and we'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool down slightly. Meanwhile we'll take 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add 3/4 cup of cashew nuts. When the color changes a little, we'll add 1 cup of fried gram or pottu kadala and fry it till the color changes slightly. Into this we'll add 3 tablespoons of black sesame seeds and fry it till you hear a crackling sound. When it starts spluttering, switch off the flame. For the spices, here I have taken 15 cardamoms, a small piece of dried ginger and 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll powder it and keep it aside. Now the coconut and jaggery mixture is slightly cooled, so we'll add the fried cashew nuts and fried gram, and then we'll add the spice powder also and mix it well. Now we'll add the aval or beaten rice little by little, mixing it very well after each addition. This is a very healthy recipe which we can make and store it at home for our kids. It will stay good for about 2 weeks at room temperature, and if we keep it in the fridge it will stay longer. So please do try the recipe. It's very easy to make and with very few ingredients available in our kitchen. So do try the recipe. can add a pinch of salt and about 1/4 half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence will give a nice flavor to the Aval Vilayichathu, and our delicious Aval Vilayichathu is ready. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.